How to fix USB debugging is grayed out or disabled on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we go down and tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down and make sure you turn off auto blocker. Now entering the PIN or using fingerprint to authorize that. Then we go back into settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on developer options. In here we scroll down and this time you should see that USB debugging is now active and enabled. From here you can turn on or switch off USB debugging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.